Hey, I'd like to just relate a special story that happened to Dion and I when we went back to working in the temple and she was first called. We met with Sister Smith, one of the sister matrons, to discuss our duties. She showed us a couple of videos about how to welcome and treat patrons well and help them out. You never know what they're going to be experiencing when they come to the temple of our Heavenly Father. Anyway, there's a story of young couple that came in that had found out that after carrying the baby, mostly for a full term, the 9 months, they found out that the baby had died. And they came to the temple before they were going to go in the afternoon to have the baby delivered, but it'd be stillborn. And they were sad. Anyway, and how kindly the temple workers treated them and helped them. Well, my daughter Kelsey had the same thing happen to her years ago with Zachariah Alma Schmidt. He went full term and then passed away, and then she was able to deliver him. Uh, and as we were there that day, the overwhelming feeling came to me that Zach was there with us, and that we would get to know him much better someday. But of course, that he was okay, but it was a very special feeling and experience to have his spirit with us there uh, that day in the temple. Uh, Zach, I look forward to getting to know you, and had the pleasure to know that that day that I would get to know you and to be your grandpa and to make up for the time we've missed together. And that was very special for me. I thought I would share it. Thanks.